Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 515, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy contacts on this device. To do it, open menu, then find your contacts, then scroll down, find more, select it, scroll down again and find copy contacts, and now choose copy from phone to SIM or from SIM to phone. For example, I want to copy from SIM to phone, so click select 5 contacts I have on my SIM, click yes, copy in yes, great. 5 contacts was copied from SIM to phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.